orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Navratri. Today is the first day of Navratri, and a Garba and Dandiya festival is taking place tonight in the community park. Everyone from kids to young and old is busy preparing for the festival. So everything is lively. Gattu and Hari are setting up the lights on the stage, while Papa and some of the elders in the community are setting up the chairs. Chinky and Goody are rehearsing Garba with the other children. Monty is sitting on the swing watching everyone.
They are all preparing for festival together and they didn't even invite me. I'll definitely take revenge for this humiliation.
Chinky, Goody and the other kids get tired while practicing Garba.
Come on, let's take a break, guys. We'll start again in some time. Good idea.
As soon as Chinky, Goody and the other kids leave from there, Monty sneakily comes over there. Without any delay, he puts Chinky's colorful dandiya sticks in his bag and runs away from there. In a short while, Chinky and his friends return back.
Where did my dandiya sticks go? I kept them right here. How am I going to participate in tonight's festival now?
Just then, Bunty arrives there.
Hey, stop crying, Chinky. We will find some solution for this.
Just then, Bunty's eyes fall on two sticks lying in a corner. Bunty immediately picks them up and brings them.
We have found the sticks. Now all we have to do is decorate them. Then they'll become dandiya sticks. Oh wow, Bunty. That's a great idea.
Chinky drapes a beautiful decorative cloth over the sticks. And in just 2 minutes, the dandiya sticks are ready.
These are looking even more beautiful than my old sticks, don't they? Yes, really. Thank you, Bunty. What is this? This plan completely failed. But my next one is definitely going to succeed.
Only 15 minutes are left before the Garba and Dandiya festival will begin. The sun is about to set, and all the lights have been turned on. Just then, Monty takes out the plug of the lights and hides them under the stage. Suddenly, it becomes dark, because of which there is chaos all around.
Oh, how did the lights go out?
Just then, Chinky's gaze falls on the surrounding houses. The lights are on in every house.
Gattu, the lights haven't gone out. If the lights had gone out, all the lights would have been gone, right?
Just then, Gattu's gaze falls on the DJ floor next to the stage. The DJ floor is lit up with lights.
If there really is something wrong with the stage lights, then how are these DJ lights working?
Because these DJ lights are battery powered, my friend.
Oh, so why don't we set up these lights on the stage too? It won't take long to set them up and they are going to look beautiful. Come on then, let's get to work.
Gattu goes to the DJ and asks him for some extra lights. Once they get the lights, all the kids get to work of setting those lights up on the stage. In a short while, the stage is completely decorated like a bride. Monty, who is sitting a little far, is getting angry inside.
No matter whatever I do, these guys always win over me.
The Garba and Dandiya festival begins in some time. Gattu, Chinky, Hari, Bunty and Goody start to enjoy and play Garba and Dandiya. Papa, Mummy and the rest of the society also join in the fun and enjoy. After a while, Gattu gets an idea.
Guys, wait a minute. Let's make this a little interesting. Interesting? But how, Gattu? Now we'll all spin one by one. Whoever spins the most is going to be today's winner. Yes, this will be fun.
Okay then, let's get started.
Yes, let's get started.
All the kids start spinning one by one. first of all comes Hari, and he starts feeling dizzy within a few seconds. Everyone starts to laugh out loud after looking at his plight. After this comes Bunty's turn. Bunty makes an entry like a hero and begins his spin. But in some time, his feet stumble upon a stick. Bunty gets out of control and he falls down a short distance away. All the kids start laughing on the poor thing's plight. After this comes Goodie's turn. Goodie starts very slowly, but then suddenly she starts spinning very fast. Everyone's eyes widen at the sight of her spinning. Goodie stops after some time, but everyone is so delighted with her performance that they all start clapping. After this, it's Gattu's turn. Gattu was looking a little nervous.
I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not.
Hey, why are you scared, Gattu? It was your idea to play this game, wasn't it?
Yes, it was my idea, but I'm afraid that whatever happened to you might happen to me too. Nothing will happen, Gattu. Just don't think too much.
Gattu somehow gathers his courage and starts his spin. But he's still feeling nervous.
I might bump into someone when I am spinning.
Gattu keeps spinning continuously. But when some of the aunties from the colony come near him and start playing dandiya, Gattu has to move a little away. As Gattu moves away little far and starts spinning, a decorative cloth starts to wrap around his body. Soon, Gattu has himself completely wrapped with cloth and he has to stop himself from spinning. Gattu somehow manages to unwrap himself. All the kids burst out laughing.
I told you something will definitely go wrong.
And finally, in the end, it's Chinky's turn. Chinky confidently begins her spin. She starts to spin so fast that onlookers can't help but stare in awe.
She is spinning even faster than Goodie.
There comes a point when Chinky has been spinning for over 3 minutes, but she won't stop. And then suddenly she falls straight to the ground. Everyone runs towards her in tension.
Chinky, open your eyes. Please, Chinky, open your eyes.
Gattu even splashes water on her face, but she still won't wake up.
Poor Chinky is not waking up. Now I must be a good boy and help them out.
Monty rushes to the children without any delay.
Guys, if you want, I can wake Chinky up.
You won't mess anything up, right, Monty?
No, absolutely not.
Monty takes a lemon out of his pocket and makes Chinky smell it. Chinky regains consciousness in a matter of seconds. The children's joy knows no bounds.
Oh wow, Monty, you really did a great job. Thank you so much.
Monty also joins the group of children and begin dancing Garba and Dandiya. He realizes that true happiness lies not in ruining someone's work, but in making it happen.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.